Most investors moving to Dallas are buying in the wrong suburbs. They are chasing hype in Frisco, overpaying in Prosper, and completely missing the areas where the real returns are happening. And I'm going to provide you that suburb that is making the most money for investors. The Dallas suburb making investors the most money right now. Real numbers, purchase price, rent, and return on the investment. Appreciation versus cash flow, where smart investors are buying in 2026 and beyond. And by the end, you will know exactly where to invest so that you don't get your money trapped, and how to get my investor list with off-market and builder deals. So if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to provide you with all of that information. Please subscribe, like, and put your comment in the comment section. Why Dallas is an investor hotspot, you might want to ask yourself. Dallas Fort Worth, which is also called DFW, is one of the fastest growing metro areas in all of North America. Why investors love DFW? One, because of massive job growth, corporate relocations, a lot of company moving to Dallas Fort Worth. Population growth, yes, when people moving, of course, there's going to be an outburst in population. Strong rental demand, and of course, most important consideration is no state income tax and land for expansion. More people are coming in because there's land for expansion. But here is the truth: not every suburb makes money. Some are appreciation plays, some are cash flow plays, and some are traps. You just have to be smart and know which one going to provide you the most return on your investment. Investors' number one suburb in all of Dallas Fort Worth is Forney, Texas. If you want a suburb making investors the most money right now, it's no other place than Forney, Texas, just east of Dallas. Why Forney? You might want to ask yourself that question. Because one, is still very affordable to get started as a beginner investor. Huge population growth, like I said, a lot of people are moving into this area. New construction, a lot of builders are building new homes and construction boom. Strong rental demand, and it's close to Dallas jobs where you can easily get jobs and commute back and forth to your home. And let us run some numbers here for investors that want to get started. If you buy a home, say between $280 and $340, the rent is $2,200 to $2,600. Your down payment 20%, cash flow say 20% positive. Appreciation is strong in Forney, Texas. One, because of equity and all of those things I just stated here. Rental stability. You're going to see renters coming in and rent out your real estate portfolio. And let us also run some numbers here on your return on your investment. Let's say you buy a home for $320,000 and the rent is $2,450. Your monthly mortgage is $2,100. Taxes and insurance account for say $500, and the total cost is $2,600. And if your rent is $2,450, you are close to break even. I know the cash flow is not huge, but that is kind of close. But here is the key consideration: you're going to get appreciation on your rental portfolio, rent growth, and they are paying down your mortgage and also helping you building equity. Investors are winning long term, not just for the short term. In other areas I want you to look at is Princeton, Texas. And also Princeton account for best entry price point for investor. Prices here typically ranges from $250 to the $320,000, and the rent is $2,100 to $2,400. Strong rental demand. Next on the line is Melissa, Texas. It has a high appreciation, growing very fast, good schools, and family renters. A lot of family want to come to Melissa, Texas. The fourth suburb here is Frisco. Luxury appreciation play, less cash flow, high long-term value. Because of the price point, a lot of renters are now moving to this area. And here are some mistakes I see most investors doing or making that cost them money. Buying too expensive, ignoring taxes, buying in overbuilt areas, no exit strategy. And why smart investors are buying now? Why are they buying now? Because they are buying because Forney has a high appreciation in job growth and rental demand. Princeton, like I said, a lot of families are moving to Princeton and Melissa because of schools and all that amenities. And also north of Dallas, Texas. And you might want to ask yourself, why these suburbs? One, because affordability and job growth. So make a lot of people want to come in here. If you're serious about investing in Dallas, I have a private list of all of that information I can share with you, like the builder discount, investor deals, and much more information like off-market properties or off-market deals if you want to get started. I can also do rent analysis just to give you an idea what the rent in this area looks like. Comment the word invest and I will share with you my investors guide so that you know exactly what you can do. I help investors buy remotely. You don't necessarily have to travel to Dallas or to Texas to buy. I help them analyze deals, and I also help my investor build rental portfolios. I can also help you find cash flow properties that will provide you cash flow on a consistent basis. If you want to build wealth through real estate or Texas real estate, I will help you do it the right way. Dallas is still one of the best market in America, but the money is made when you buy in the right suburb. And right now, Forney seems to check that list, and Forney seems to be the one providing investors the most return on their investment. I will see you in the next video.